I'm very excited to be welcoming our school community to our new purpose-designed and built teaching and learning spaces. Our new building includes 14 contemporary learning spaces, multimedia rooms, a lecture theatre, a huge library and resource centre, staff and administration areas, outdoor learning spaces and landscape grounds.
As soon as the kids walked in this morning, their eyes have lit up and they see this brand new space with interesting furniture, different things, ways that they'll be able to move around and learn.
Having rooms for specific purposes and multi-purposes, it'll allow them to break off in groups and learn in a more authentic way.
Feels like I have space to breathe, space to think.
This one just feels more luxurious and grand.
Lots of different rooms, you can work with different people.
It's simplistic, yet amazing.
Already I can think of a whole range of different activities we could do in there that we haven't been able to do before. Now the new library looks so open and airy and fresh. I think it'll invite students in.
It's just exciting to have a space that allows for more self-directed learning by the students to build on their future-focused learning.
The lecture theatre was definitely the most surprising. It's very, very spacious. Really feels like something very mature.
It had a lot of comfortable seating, the tables flip up, save space, darker tones so you could pay more attention to the presentation board.
And I feel like it'll be a great learning space in the future.
And it will give our students and staff so much more flexibility and space to do new and exciting things.
Our students deserve the very best, and that's exactly what these state-of-the-art facilities will provide.